Today, my topics are two truths, relative truth and ultimate truth. So, basically, in Buddhism, it's very important to understanding what is the ground and what is the path and what is the fruition. So, ground is the two truths. Two truths are the relative truth and ultimate truth. And path, there is accumulation, two kinds of accumulation. One is merit and wisdom. And for the fruition, there's formless for self and form for others, two kayas. So these three are basically it's very essential to understanding. And then actually these two truths are very detailed explained by Chandrakirti in Madhyamika Avatar text. But this is quite complicated for the beginners. So I will just make simply about two truths. So relative truth is like appearance. It is appearance, and alternate truth is the reality or real situation or in fact. Relative truth is totally illusion, and ultimate truth is not an illusion, it is the nature. And relative truth is appearance of the ordinary person, and ultimate truth is appearance of the sublime beings, like Buddhas. So now I will just make some examples. So relative truth is like a rope. If there is one rope in the dark area, and first we think, oh, there's a snake. But at the same time, you just dilute it with the snake, but that is the rope. There is no snake. So rope is relative ultimate truth, and snake is the relative truth. And another example is if someone is wearing a mask. So mask is just an appearance. It looks like that person is like mask, but in reality, behind the mask, there is a real face of that person is hiding. So that is the like ultimate truth. Then another example is when we are dreaming, then maybe in the dream, I'm in the restaurant with your best friend and with lots of delicious meals. That is appearance, but that is illusion. But in the reality, there is no restaurant, there is not your friend, there is no meals, but in reality, you are just alone in the bed. So that is the example. So this means how is the relative truth and how is the ultimate truth. Now I will talk about how we ordinary beings and how difference between ordinary beings and sublime beings handling with this appearance. I will make one example. If there's a magician, then he creates lots of appearance, hallucinations, and many stupid people, they grasping on that hallucination. But there's one wise man, then he already recovered. These appearances are just hallucination created by the magician. Then that person no more believe on hallucination. So that person could not betray by that magician. So that is a difference between we ordinary beings and the sublime beings. Appearance is the same, but the difference is we ordinary beings will just grasping on the appearance. So that's why we are wandering in the samsara. These sublime beings are not, they don't grasping on the appearance, so they are free from samsara. So I hope this makes a little bit sense. I'm not sure, but anyway, these are the how difference between ordinary beings and sublime beings, how difference handle with the appearance or illusions or true truths. So true truths are the not separate. These are inseparable. It says very clear in the Heart Sutra, the form is empty and empty is the form. Form is not separate from empty. Empty is not separate from form. So that's why these two truths are the inseparable. While we see all this appearance, but there is nothingness. But nothingness itself is appearance. So these all inseparable. Like why we are watching movie, we see the movie, but there is nothing, just kind of appearance, just illusion. So this means true truth or appearance and nothingness or emptiness, these are the individual or the inseparable. So we ordinary beings, we have a strong ego or grasping because of ignorance. So therefore we have grasping on our self-ego, and if we have strong grasping on me, I, then interdependently we will have grasping on others. So then naturally we will have some attachment to me and my side, and we will have some hatred towards others. Then from that, we create all the deeds, all the basically all the bad deeds. So then, this will how we will wandering in samsara. So this is the how the ego is dragging us to the samsara. So that is for today. So this is, I just try to introduce about relative truth and ultimate truth. Then next time I will try to explain about path. There are two paths, two merits, accumulations. They are merit and wisdom. Okay, then everybody take care. Nice to meet you, and see you next time.